Today we're here talking about breaking down legal challenges faced by shareholders and directors in disputes. My name's Eloise Turnbull. I'm the head of the Litigation and Dispute Resolution team at Greenhouse Pickard, and I'm here with my team member Natashia.
Today we're going to talk about shareholder and director disputes. That's something that Eloise and I both deal with a lot here at Greenhouse Pickard. It's a common but complex area of business litigation, and when those disagreements arise, it can cause business disruption and can even threaten the survival of the company.
The good thing with our firm is that we have integrated services, so legal and accounting, so that can really assist with the legal and potential financial fallout. All right, well, let's start with the basics. What are the most common disputes that we see?
The big ones we see are breach of director duties, shareholder oppression, and financial mismanagement. We also see disputes about dividend payments, access to company records being removed, and conflicts over business strategy.
Absolutely, and the disputes can be highly personal as well. You can have friends going into business together, families going into business together, emotions run high, tensions run high.
So let's talk about a common case we see a lot here at our firm, where two directors operating a business, their financial circumstances or personal circumstances might change during the course of being directors together, and one director wants to exit the company, sell up shares, and allocate those funds and that effort and energy elsewhere.
Or we've got a situation where we've got someone that's the ideas man, they're coming up with all of the business strategies and they're really involved in the business. And then we've got someone that's not probably pulling their weight, but then you're 50-50 shareholders, so something's got to give, and that's where we can look at a buyout strategy to make sure that we can get a good value for them, buy them out, and then gain back control of the business.
So with no clear agreement in place, it can very quickly turn into a situation of back and forth and ultimately a legal dispute, which impacts on the viability and success of the business.
Yeah, exactly, and that's where our firm steps in. We'll look at the assets of the business, liabilities of the business, we'll see what the shares can actually be valued at, and that's where our accountants can come in as well. They'll look at the feasibility of the business and they'll assist with that value of the shares. And then we'll step in and we'll look at director responsibilities, whether or not there's been any breaches of director duties as well. We can then use mediation. We can look at preserving the business interest while also balancing shareholder interests as well.
So in a dispute, a director and shareholder should not wait to obtain legal advice.
Yeah, exactly. It's so important to act early, know what your rights and obligations are so they can contact us to find out.
That's right.